So basically, I'm in college right now. I'm a junior, almost finished and stuff. So like women like always tend to ignore me, and it's kind of like getting on my nerves. Like I'll just try to like impress them, and like it doesn't like work out for some reason.
When you say impress them, what do you mean? What are you doing to impress them?
Like I'll dress up like nice, I'll like smell good, but it just doesn't seem to like grasp their attention. It's
Mm.
like I
Yeah,
don't know.
that's not what gets a girl's attention.
What's that?
That's not what gets a girl's attention. Um,
Oh, okay.
so what's your question?
My question is, how do you think that me, like personally, can get like more women like to like have their eyes on me? If
How many
that's a
are you
valid
talking to a lot
question.
of women? Because women are not going to approach you. You're going to
Um,
have to talk to them. So you'll have to make the first move.
yeah, but like most people always tell me that I have to make like that woman have to come to me. Don't chase women, you know? That's
So
what a lot of people tell
so
me.
yeah. So that's not how it works. I explained this earlier. So we'll revisit this idea. Right. There's a difference between chasing and leading. Okay.
Exactly.
What you need to do is you need to lead, and you need to be proactive. It's okay to be proactive. If you overdo that, that's when you're chasing. So to go up to a woman,
Yeah,
to approach her, to talk to her, that's just being proactive and being assertive. That's not chasing. So there's a difference.
exactly.
Chasing is when you're being desperate to the point where you're overdoing it and you're trying to go after the same woman nonstop even though she said no. So just be
Yeah.
clear on that. So it's okay to go up and start conversations. It's okay
Yeah, of
to
course.
make things happen, you know. But just understand that you're not going to impress a girl by the way you're dressed. You're gonna
Yeah.
and you got to get that word out of your vocabulary too. It's not about
Impressive. Yeah.
impressing, right? It's not about impressing her. Okay. If anything, you should be thinking about if she's impressing you. Okay, that's what you need to be thinking.
Exactly.
So don't think to
Mhm.
impress her. Think I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna be my most masculine, interesting, charismatic self, and that gives you your best chance of getting her attracted to you. That's very broad.
Right.
I know that
Right.
doesn't just solve your issue, but this is basically
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
asking how to get girls attracted. The entire channel is based on this. I can't really answer
Mhm.
that quick, but if I were you to just get started, just approach more women. Okay, approach more women.
Mhm.
Focus more on
Yeah.
conversation and just having a good time. Just focus
Yeah.
on having a
Yeah.
good time talking to them and talk to more women. Okay,
All right. Thanks, man.
you're welcome. Take care.
Hey, Tripp. My name is Damien, and I'm calling from North Carolina.
What's up, Damien? How you doing? How old are you?
I uh, I I am 31 years old.
What's your question?
I it would be this. Okay, I have this girl who I actually talked to at the gym, and I was wondering. Okay, like she's giving me choosing signals, and she comes up and talk, and she seems to be very friendly. But I was wondering, like, should I interact more, or should I kind of keep my distance and just kind of see where it goes?
So you're saying, sorry, where was it? The gym?
Yeah, at the gym.
Okay. So why haven't you asked her out yet or gotten her number?
Actually, because I was trying to not seem to kind of come off as being needy and clingy and things like that. So it could boil down to rejection, but I really don't know.
Yeah.
I was just
Okay.
trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So the reason is, Bud, is you're afraid of the rejection. Okay. So it's so
Hmm.
funny.
Yeah.
This topic keeps coming up. It's not needy. It's not needy to go for a girl's number. It's not needy to ask her out. It's needy to do it over and over again if she says no, but it's not
Hmm.
needy to go for it. Not at all. It's just being
Okay.
proactive. It's not chasing. It's not being needy. So the reason why you're thinking that and why most guys think this stuff is because they're trying to convince themselves not to go for it because they don't want to get rejected. So that's what's happening right
Right.
now.
Right.
Okay? Is that
Hmm.
you're scared of the rejection. Bro, if you don't go for it, you'll be in the exact same place. So you just got to do it.
Okay.
You
Thanks,
just got to
bro.
do it. she's right now, she's either interested in you or she's not. She's either interested. So at this point, when you ask her out, you're just going to get the true answer. So don't avoid it. Live in reality. I always tell guys, let's live in reality, not some sort of dreamland. Don't be afraid of reality. If she's not interested, bro, hundreds of thousands, millions of more women available. You don't even have to worry about it. You'll just talk to the next one. Okay?
Okay, awesome, bro. Thanks.
You're welcome.